Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a calendar in Google Sheets. So as you can see in Google Sheet, I have a date column right over here. Now I want this entire column to be dates only. So if I double click here, I'm only entering random numbers. But if I turn this column into dates column, then every block will have calendar in it. So I'm selecting this column and then I will click on data right over here. After that, I will select data validation. And from here I will click on add rule. Then after clicking add rule, we'll go to criteria and then select is valid date right over here. After that, I'm going to select done, and now I'm going to close this window. So as you can see, now any column that is not a date will be marked red right over here. So you can enter random things, but it will be marked red and it will show invalid. However, if there is no data, if you double click on any column, date will appear. As you can see, if I click on this column, date is appearing. If I click on any other column, date is appearing. However, if you don't want your column to be dates only, then you can just select the column again, then go to data here and then go to data validation. You can just click on remove all and all of the validations will be removed. So guys, that's how you can insert a calendar in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.